I bought this set of Trammel points from Lee Valley Tools years ago. They clamped to a piece of wood to form a compass, and I thought I should get one for the other shop, but then I came up with this design, which worked out really nice, except this is just a hack. So in this video, I'll build it again and a bit more precisely. The points clamp to this dovetail rail, and I'll start by making that part. Dovetail rail cut. Now for the brackets, I'm going to make those out of this wood, and I think this wood will contrast nicely, especially once it's been varnished. I cut these ones upright on the bandsaw, but I think for this one I'm going to cut a dovetail on the table saw before I cut individual blocks out of it. But before I do that, I have to drill some holes in here because the hole for this pencil overlaps with a dovetail, so I should drill that first. That cut needs to cut away part of the hole so that when I put a pencil in here, I can clamp against it by pressing flat against here. Before I cut this rail into individual blocks, I might as well also drill the hole for this 1/4-inch bolt through here. And on one side it slides loosely, and on the other side it's sized so that it's tight. I also just drilled the holes for the screws that go through here, and 2 of these holes are sized so that the screw fits in here loosely, and 2 of them so it engages just a bit. I'm afraid if the thread is too tight, I might split this block of wood, so I ground a screw flat on the front, and just by screwing that in there, I can pre-cut the threads in the wood. And now for the actual screws. And back that out a bit more to get the pencil in. And now, as I tighten these screws, that block gets squished tighter against the dovetail, and that locks the pencil in place. The screw fits more tightly in this block here, so a bit more work to twist it in. So with everything being machine operations, I figured I might as well make parts for 2 in case I screw up. And I did split this block here when I countersunk it, but I glued it back together. So now I have 2 new beam compasses, plus my prototype, plus the one from Lee Valley Tools. So I think I have enough compasses now. Compasses can be so much fun.